Hello, welcome to Puzzle Master. Today I'm going to be showing you the solution for the Hanayama Delta puzzle, which means I'm going to show you how you can separate those three seemingly locked in position pieces, and then the very simple but satisfying movement to put them all back together. Now, the Delta puzzle is a level 3 out of a possible 6-star difficulty on Hanayama's own scale, and it is a level 7 out of 10 on Puzzle Master's difficulty scale. Now, if you don't have the Delta puzzle already, or if you want more puzzles just like the Delta puzzle, then check out our website puzzlemaster.ca, and without further ado, let's get into the solution. So here we have a fully assembled Delta puzzle where each piece is seemingly locked in position and cannot be separated. However, there is a precise position that does allow the three pieces to glide past each other. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to hold the puzzle the right way around. So if we separate the puzzle, what we should have, if I look at the piece on my left here, the rod connecting to it should be down at this end and not up this end. You'll see that this end up here, the rod is connected to this bit. So if I was this way around, the rod would be up here. We want to be this way around with the rod at the bottom. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to pull the puzzle apart and we're going to slide this piece on the left down so that these two lines are pretty much parallel, but this hangs lower than this part here. And then we want to mimic that same position on every side. So again, parallel lines. If this wasn't in the right position, we would just pull it apart and slide it down again. And we want that position in every corner. So parallel lines, this lower than this lower than this lower than this. And what you'll see that creates in the middle is a little triangle there. And essentially, with a little bit of sliding apart, and now this is a very precise movement. These have to be in exactly the right spot, but what you'll see there is that these pieces can now glide across each other. And all we have to do is open up and glide past this point, and all the three pieces will separate from there. And to put the Delta puzzle back together, it's actually easier if you use a flat surface. All we have to do is get this triangle, this corner, and this corner in here, here, and here. So if we line these two pieces up into this position, we line that piece into that position, and all we have to do is then close and go over and recreate that triangle, and we have reassembled the Delta puzzle. So there is the Delta puzzle solution. Personally, I love it when there's a puzzle that solves in such precise way. The build, how everything there's almost no space at that end point, and you have to edge it past and then edge it and then edge it again. It's beautiful. I love how it solves, I love how it feels, and I love how it goes back together as well. Now, hopefully this video has helped you solve the Delta puzzle for yourself. And if you want to solve more puzzles just like the Delta puzzle, then check out our website puzzlemaster.ca, where we have the biggest variety of puzzles on the internet in the world. And until next time, I will see you later.